Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So uSamke Kwela, you guys posted this cute video of MaCele and uSamke Musa's daughter, you guys. And the background song for this video was that Sitonono no Sama Makena TikTok sound. So cute, you guys. And when I saw this, I was just like, oh, could it be that Umamkulu is fulfilling Nesthembu? So, or a comment that that she made, or rather that Usamke made about babysitting the child. But even if it was or is not the case, you guys, this just made me think that, you know what, guys, this woman has sacrificed a lot, you guys. And I think it really does take you to have a pure heart. Let me not say pure heart, because pure heart is something else. But I just think that if your heart can still melt when it comes to seeing children, I think there's hope for you to some degree. So when I saw this video of her playing with the baby, no shame, guys, my heart was just so, I don't know, it just melted in a sense. You could see maybe, guys, you know what we see on television is not always how we think it to be, because it was giving vibes ukuthi uMaCele was using uMakwena to get to the other wives. But maybe there is a genuine relationship that they have and they share, because Naku, the child is here, but it looks like uSamke can still go to uMaCele's house and have uMaCele see the child, and uMaCele can still gladly play with the child. And kanjalo, you guys, I found this to really be cute. Even though uSamke might not be getting support from the other wives, you guys, which might be a lot to ask, at least she's getting some sort of support from uMamkhulu, and her child will get to, be involved within the Mseleku household, because Mamkulu has welcomed them. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.